Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this is just a follow-up to the previous video. Watch the previous video so that what I'm going to say in this video will make sense. So yeah, I just logged into that account that I showed in the previous video. So this is what we have here. So I logged in because I got a notification moments ago that the broker had actually closed the trades. Remember, if you watched the previous video, we had some trades around here and I had some break-even around here and stuff. So we're still in the trades. But I don't know what happened. Maybe I'll have to go through the terms and conditions of the broker, but then they just decided to close the trades despite the trades being actually around for $3 or $2 something positive around here, because silver has just been dancing around here. So I don't know why they would close the trades. Of course, I wanted to see if we can be able to maybe make maybe $5 or $10 from a account that was in a negative. So apparently, lesson learned, you actually cannot leave that money just being positive, but when your balance is negative, at some point expect the broker to close your trades. That's what I've learned with this experience. But in any case, I'll be loading in another $5 so that I can test the robot that I am developing. The point of this video though is not about that. In any case, I'm just in this account. So what I'm going to do is just go and look at gold, because I saw somebody ask me if I have ideas on gold, given that I also trade gold and silver. I love to trade gold and silver. So if let's just add in our standard bars there. Let's just do that. Okay, so what I like to do usually is sometimes I go to the weekly time frame. So this is what we have on the weekly time frame. Looking like we have the first touch, second touch, a third touch here. Looking like, wow, that would be an interesting turn of events if gold were to come back around that area there. But it would also be equally interesting if gold were to drop here. Maybe let me just change color on this. Close. Let me change color on that so that it's visible. How is that? I think it's now visible. So if gold were actually to break out of this channel here, we would see a massive drop. This is on the weekly time frame. If drop down to the daily. So if gold were to crash out of this channel here, would see a massive drop to the downside. I hope it makes sense. This is what I'm looking at. And at the same time, gold might want to actually come and test around this area, or actually come to test this area here, depending on whatever is happening in the world. This is purely on technicals. Sorry, I'm not basing this on fundamentals. I'm not looking at fundamentals. So you must take it with a pinch of salt. Don't just rush in and start selling or start buying, because this is purely just a technical ideas, and it's not even a trading signal. This is not a trading signal. This is a technical idea. So what ideally I would want to do is to wait for gold to break out of this area here, this other end of the channel. I would want it to break through here and actually stay around here. So 1925 1925 will be a good level to watch out for a drop to the downside if you are looking at the higher time frames. And but you can still from here, this is what 1950. Let's see if we go to the 4-hour time frame. Let me just move this line there. So 1950, I'm watching the 1950 level here for signs, for any signs of us wanting to drop down or use this. I'm trying to minimize this line here so that, and I'm picking the wrong end of it. So I'm watching this level to see if this is a chance for us to actually push up, or we are going to actually break down here. If we break through this area here, ideally, so between 1940 there and 1930, 1925 there, if we can collapse gold this area here, then my money is on us dropping down. That's where I'll start really focusing on sales. But as it is here, you see gold has come back and has kind of respected this end of the channel here. So I'm just trying to see and wait for gold and see if actually this is the idea for now. Sometimes this move can take a couple of days, a couple of weeks to actually play out. That's why if you're going to be trading higher time frames like I do, you need to actually be a very patient trader. If you're going to be scalping it, well, there is always opportunity for scalps. I left scalping a long time ago, but yeah, you can still look for opportunities for quick scalps. Like here, there is good opportunity for a sell, but you should be mindful of your scalps because we've got a major hit level around 1950 there on gold. So you just need to be careful with your scalps. Or if you're going to look for a buy here, I would want to look for buys around this area, but ideally around 1950, and first target would be 1975, and if all goes well 2000 and stuff like that. But yeah, my money at the my bias at the moment actually is that we might actually see a drop in gold. That's my bias at the moment, and this is just purely on technical ideas. This is purely technical ideas, and sometimes you must let the market prove you wrong. So yeah, somebody asked me for what I think. So I think I'm watching this level. So I think we might actually do this, or we might be tempted to actually do that. It happens. The market does what the market wants to do. I cannot control the market with my few $1,000s. I wait for the market to show me what it intends to do. But if we break through this level here, this channel that we have here, then definitely my money is on us dropping this thing. So yeah, I hope this gives you some ideas for somebody who was asking me if I have a trade idea on gold. Me, I trade higher time frames. I trade the long term swing trading. That's my thing. If you are in scalping, maybe find how you can trade this, but mostly I do swing trading. So that's what I am waiting for on gold. I'm waiting for prices to come on the 1950 level before I decide whether we are going to push back up or we're going to break through this channel here, which will be an indication for me that I need to actually sell gold massively. So yeah, what do you think is going to happen on gold? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. Like the video. If you're looking for free forex robots, indicators, courses, books and stuff like that you need for your own trading for free. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. See the links in the description box below, including the broker that I use. So yeah, I'll be loading another $5 to this particular account so that I can continue testing my robots. Then for my manual trading, I don't for my bigger accounts, I don't usually leave them to robots, but I love the experience of trading with robots as well. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.